Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. How are you today? Now I would like to introduce myself. My name is Jazil Nadia Tamama. Here I would like to tell you about my material. The theme is narrative text. Okay, look at this. The first is the meaning of narrative text. Narrative text is that tells a story which aims to entertain the audience. It consists of orientation, communication, and resolution. If often used past tense or just the important narrative is tell the story that is to entertain the audience, but there are the other purpose of narrative text like this. Okay, so the social function of narrative text, the first is you can to amuse. So the second is to entertain the reader with a story. The third is to make us learn something from the story. So here there are three pictures. The first is picture about Snow White. The second is the tortoise and hare. The third is the Rojonggrang. So I would like to ask you, do you know what kind text of Snow White in narrative text? Okay, you don't know. Okay, I would like to tell you the kind of narrative text. Okay, there are some kinds of narrative text. Okay, the first is fairy tale. What is fairy tale? Fairy tales with genre of fantasy or fiction. Example, Cinderella, Snow White. I think you know, and you ever hear the story about it. So the second is the legend. Legend tell the story of how the origin of a place came to be. Another example is the story of Lake Toba. Do you know the story of Lake Toba? So the third is fable. Fable is the stories in which the main character is an animal. Example like the hare and the tortoise. So the fourth is horror stories. Stories that contain spooky stories such as a ghost and other abstract beings that are popular with the public. So romance. Do you know romance? The story about a love story might be like Romeo and Juliet and I'm one of useful men, so etc. So the folklore. Last is folklore. Before last is folklore. Folklore that is passed down 12 generation. One example is story of Malin Kundang. It is the famous story, yes, of course. So the last is history. History is stories, both even and those that occurred in the past, complete with a chronological of place, character, and times of event. this. I think this kinds of narrative text is still many other, but I give you just this kind of text. Okay, next is the generic structure of narrative text. The generic structure, the first is orientation. Orientation set the scene. So where and when the story happens, introduce the participant of story, like who and what involved in the story. So we go to the up is complication. Okay, what is complication? You know, complication tells the beginning of problem, so which leads to crisis or climax of the main participant. So we turn to the resolution. Resolution is the problem or the crisis is resolved either in happy or in sad ending. So usually just until resolution, but the other set it can be to reorientation. What is reorientation? Reorientation is closing remark to the story, and it is optional. You can use reorientation or not. It consists of moral teaching from the writer. Okay, the next language feature. There are some language feature of narrative text, and I would like to present to you. The first is use simple past tense. Okay, simple past tense, I think you will know because you have studies previous in the junior high school. Okay, the first is action that happened at specific time in the past. Example, the verb live. Live, you can change to past participant like left, or the other. He is walking. He was walking. So the second language feature, there are use adverb of time. What is adverb of time? Adverb of time is the time about when the event happens, how long it lasts, and how often it occurs. Like today, tomorrow, yesterday, one time, last year, later, like that. So the next is using adjective. Adjective is the word used to describe nouns or pronouns, like brave, dark, mysterious, like that. So use noun phrase. Used to provide a moral detailed description of narrative text. Example, the bright morning sun casts the golden glow on the calm water of the lake, creating a breathtaking view. These are the sentence. So the noun phrase is just the bright morning sun or the calm water of the lake. That's it. So next you can read this example. Here the title is the Heart and Story, Guardians of the Green Forest. There are in the first paragraph, just know what the generic structure? Yes, orientation. Okay, the first paragraph is orientation. You can read it. So the second paragraph is complication. Okay, good. So the third, I use until reorientation. So the third is resolution. Okay. So the last is the reorientation. You can read it from this. First, I will give you example of orientation and we analyze the language feature. Okay, in a forest that was once lush and green. Lush and green here, I give the orange color here is adjective because this describe the forest. Forest is noun, so the forest is lush and green. there are in a forest that was once. Was here is used past tense. So the next sentence, there live two best friends, Flash the hare and Ollie the tortoise. So live here is forward from live for one. So lived is to our past participant. So the third sentence, they loved. This is also simple past tense. Okay, because if simple present verb is love, there's no adjective. Okay, next to you can read alone if the bold and italic. This is a simple past tense. So if the color is orange is adjective. So if the color is blue, that is adverb of time. You can.
Let's test your understanding about narrative text. First question is, what is the main purpose of a narrative text? The second question is, which of the following is not an example of narrative text?
Okay, I think that is from me. Thank you for your attention. Sorry for my mistake. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.